So, do you need to have a website to be successful with Wealthy Affiliate? Well, as the name suggests, Wealthy Affiliate isn't about just, creating websites or blogging. The core focus of the platform is on affiliate marketing. And the good news is that even though Wealthy Affiliate has, a bit of a focus on blogging and that's what they train you on, they also have tons of information to help you get started with affiliate marketing in other ways. So they have classes teaching you how to do affiliate marketing on Facebook. They teach you how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube through SEO as well as organic traffic. And there's training on all the different social media platforms. They also teach you, more core concepts of affiliate marketing, how you can even refer your friends and family just by sending them the link. And so the answer is you definitely don't need a website to be successful with affiliate marketing. That is just one of the ways that you can do affiliate marketing through the lessons that you learn on Wealthy Affiliate. Now, if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, no credit card required, you can use the link in the description. Now, if you're wondering how hard it is to build a website using Wealthy Affiliate, click this video showing up on your screen and I'll tell you all about it.